Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about the sticker ideas for your Redbubble, for your Teepublic, or for any other print-on-demand websites out there, because I see that the sticker is one of the most important product that sells so well on the Redbubble and on various different print-on-demand websites online. So if you're interested in that, then stick till the end of this video guys, and don't forget to smash the like button and also guys, I have a free guide, 60 plus niches free guide for your own print on demand for your Redbubble shop right now. If you want to check that free guide, the link of this free guide description box below, you can download it completely for free, and these contain 60 plus free niches ideas on which you can start making your own print on demand designs right now and can start selling. And also I have a free print on demand graphics, a complete bundle that is 49 free graphics for you to use in your own making your own print on demand designs. The link of that free bundle is in the description box below. You can download that free graphic bundle right now and can start using these graphics for making your own print on demand designs. First sticker idea is nature sticker ideas. Now you can combine the nature with the various different things. For example, combining nature with the animal niches, combining nature with the universe niches. You can combine the nature niche with any of these niches and can merge a gap between these two niches and can make a beautiful sticker around it. You can create a new sticker tag as well, and the nature niche is one of the most popular niches even if you go for any other print on demand product as well, because it really sells well. People are most likely to interested in purchasing the nature, and it's kind of like an evergreen niche ideas. Like you don't see that there is a big trend and then suddenly drops out. No, it's just kind of like all throughout the year there would be an evergreen kind of like a phrase, because nature is always in trends. So it's like an evergreen niche idea. Now moving on to the second niche idea. Second niche idea is the quotes niche idea. Now the quotes is can be in any niche. Like you can make a motivational quote, you can make some holiday quotes, you can make some funny quotes, funny jokes, and you can also create any quotes related to the technology or nature or plants. Like you can make quotes, like you don't need to be a graphic designer for making these quotes design. You can just see onto the internet like what are the most popular quotes. If you actually go into the Google and search for what are the most popular quotes in any of the niches, if you want any of the niches you are targeting, and then look out whether it's not trademark. Just please make sure it's not trademark or it's not any company's copyright or anything like that, and then use that particular statement, you can say, or particular code, and create a code around it. Usually I see that the codes that are having the black colored font works well. And apart from that, if you're creating codes that would be having a font that is a rainbow style, that's a multicolored rainbow style font, also works really well. So here you can play around with the different ideas and see which type of fonts work well for the codes design. I see that most of the time is the sans serif also work very well. And you can also play around with the different font colors to actually see which working best for you and which kind of most popular onto the Redbubble, onto Teepublic. Because again, these are all the ideas that I'm talking about in this video are related to any other print on demand websites, whatever way you want to go for it, because these are the generalized. And again, the codes is in evergreen. You don't see a big rise and a big jump. Like if you are targeting the codes in the trending niche, then obviously it would be trends. But otherwise, if you are targeting the evergreen niches like the motivation or the nature or some jokes or something like that, then it will be kind of like an evergreen, and you're gonna see the consistency of sticker idea is a circular, like the shapes stickers. I most tend to see a shapes are having circular shape, and in that circular shape you're gonna see different types of sceneries or landscapes or different types of animals or something around the corner, and the circular shape type of designs are quite common in the stickers because they look pretty well, because the shapes create the type of more kind of a visualization, and you tend to feel like it's a circular, so I'm gonna buy it or something like that. But I see that circular types of design having a big circle, and then in that circle there is some type of illustration or a landscape or maybe a code sells also well. and you can have an animal faces in that circle as well. Like you can test around with the different ideas. You can just play around with that and see what's working and or not. And one thing I'm going to tell you guys, don't copy anyone. You can just take an inspiration, you can take an idea what's there and what's selling, but don't just blindly copy anyone, because it's not good. It's not really worth it, guys, because at the end of the day, it's your creativity. It's not just about making money. You're just not creating these things just for the sake of money. You're making these things because you love it. That's why you are doing it. And money is just kind of like a supplement or a complement to the things that we are doing. So if you're doing it on that perspective, then obviously you're going to set for a long run, and you're going to work on the creativity, and creating a unique design will really going to help you stand out in the market and get into more sales. Type of sticker that I see that also selling well is the skull. Now you don't need to make a human skull or anything like that, but I see that the human skull is combined with something niches, like the human skull is holding the plant or is holding books, something like that is selling well. And when there was a Valentine, like I've talked about this thing in one of my videos, when there was a Valentine, one of the sticker was very prominent, was very trending at that right now, where the two skulls were like a couple together and kind of like relating to the Valentine, and that was quite in the trending. And I also see that the skulls design sells well because human like the skull design. It's the human skull. You can also have the animal skeleton as well, but it depends. Whatever when you choose, you can just play around with that. You can make a funny skeleton, funny skull, and then can write a quote apart from that, or something like around the corner, like different types of skull movements and shaky movements. Or you can also make a graveyard, like having a kind of like a graveyard along with that skull, or even can make a sticker tag around the graveyard and the skull niche, which is quite intimidating, and many people are more into buying that type of thing. And also, if you are mixing the skull based designs with the any trending design, that the case for the Valentine, then you would be getting the more sales. And if you're kind of like targeting the evergreen, like the skull holding the tree, or in the or holding a book, or listening to the music or something like that, that would be kind of like an evergreen. So sticker idea is creating a message based sticker. For example, if you are saving the planet Earth, if you're saving the nature, then you can create something like a flower or a tree and can write a small message. That would be a quote combining with the illustration, and that would be a message based design. These also sells well. You can save the nature, you can save the marine life, you can save the any type of things. But one thing I want to tell you, don't make designs in this niche related to the violence. That's related to the violence, because if you are making designs that is related to the harassment, violence, or any sexual or any kind of things, then you might get banned from the Redbubble and all that. But I would say message-based design, a silent message-based niche idea is really popular, and also people are more into buying it. Kind of like a silent voice, not that a strong voice or something like that. You can also make a football, and then there is a quote, keep going on, stay working on it, something like that. Like that when someone actually looks at the design, they see that, okay, this is a kind of like a message based design, so they would more likely to purchase that if they are interested in that type of thing. Softer message, saving the nature, saving the marine life, removing the pollution, the global warming, and something like that around the corner. You can create a message, or even you can create a message around the work ethic, about the entrepreneur, about football, about any sports related message that keep working, keep going on, you're gonna get it. Or studying type of messages, promoting the students to study or something like that. You can test around the idea, but it's really an awesome way to stand out, and you'll never gonna run out of the idea. Type of design, sticker design idea is the minimalism, line art. Like if you're familiar, if you're an artist or a designer, then you would be probably knowing about what is a minimalism or what is the line art. You can create these line arts, and these are quite simple and quite easy to make, and right now they are quite in trending. They may be in the trending niches, might not be the evergreen, like when the minimalism trends goes out, then you would be seeing a big peak like that. But again, it's an amazing idea. You don't need to do much of the thing, because if you are making the illustrations or graphics and you need to add the color and create all those graphics, you can go for the minimalism. Just make the simple tree or animal
or a simple human being as well. Just creating a minimalism, having a line art is an awesome, and people are actually buying that. And you can combine it with the codes as well, like just play around with the ideas. Like one of my line art that was selling so well was having a nature, different types of plants. Like I was playing around with the different types of the plants and what are the different types of the colors. So that was a kind of like line art type of design was selling well for me, and it will also sell well on the canvas, guys, not just on the stickers. People are more likely to buy the canvas prints and the art prints related to the line art as well. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about these sticker ideas. And are you going to try this? And what type of sticker ideas are you trying on your Redbubble shop or any other print on demand shop? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.